Hi everybody, it's your girl Mayde from Eclectic Creations. I had to jump back in my repertoire of videos that I had recorded of myself doing different projects and everything. So this one that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is of geode art. Yes, this was my first attempt at geode art. I actually had fun doing it. So I'm going to share this video with you guys. I'm going to leave the link below for all the all the comments, for all the supplies that I used. And I hope you guys find it fun and interesting. And if you guys want to create some of your own, I'd love to see what you do. You can join my Facebook group on Facebook, of course. It's called Eclectic Sublimation Crafting in the AI. You follow my business page at Eclectic Creations. And yeah, we're going to just jump right into this video and hope you guys like it. Later. Hey, hey, I am attempting my geode art. So I already have my design that I want my crushed glass in, and now I am mixing up the epoxy to drizzle over my glass to set it so it don't move. And then I'll do the colors and the artwork, the lines and all that. I've been watching a lot of Geode art. I'm watching this on my computer right now. I'm just trying to get different ideas. I'm watching Geode for beginners. I forgot her name. But I don't know how long I've been mixing. Could be 3 minutes. Could be, I don't know. But you want to make sure you mix thoroughly. Scraping the sides and the bottom. Go like that with your stick. Mix it up. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. For the Geode. This should be good. I don't see any ribbons. Okay, so what you want to make sure you have this. That's better? Okay. So you just want to make sure that the pot, you don't want to pour it, but you do want to drizzle it. You want to make sure that it, every piece of glass is touched. I used, I don't know what color blue this is, and black. I couldn't find my clear. I don't know why. Just came up on a missing list or something. I don't know, but if anybody know me and how I do anything, I have to do it 3 times in order for me to really feel like I got it and understand the assignment. And this is my first time doing this, and I'm recording, so I don't know. I'm a little nervous, but we live and we learn. I don't know everything about crafting. I've only been doing this for 2 years. But I love it. So just going over with clear epoxy. I'm gonna get some art resin, because from all the videos that I watch, art resin is supposed to be better to use for this type of stuff. I don't know, but I'm gonna try it. I am definitely gonna try it. So I just want to make sure that I have it everywhere, like all my stones are touched. And I don't want my glass to lose too much of the shine from the epoxy, so that's why you gotta drizzle. This is so fun. I was intimidated, I ain't gonna lie. I was nervous to do this. I'm still nervous. And I'm doing my first one on camera, so ooh. Okay. You bold enough to go live, especially when I'm doing it for the first time. Mm-mm. I hope I got everything. I hope I drizzled enough. I'll come back in like 4 hours and pick it up and see what's up. And I'll record that too when I get ready to do the colors and the lines and everything. And probably I know when I'm comfortable, I will I will do live. But I have got to make sure I'm comfortable and make sure I know what I'm doing. I think this should be enough though. It should be. All these stones ain't touched. I don't know. Okay, so that's that. And I will see y'all in 4 hours. So, Eklektic Kreations out.